In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable global prices in HoneyBook. Whether you're just getting started with HoneyBook or already familiar with its features, setting global prices can simplify the management of your services. Let's dive into how you can adjust these settings to streamline your workflow. First, you'll need to navigate to the services section of HoneyBook. This area might also be labeled as My Items or Price Sheet, depending on how the interface is set up for you. This is essentially the hub where you can manage all the services and products your business offers. Taking a moment to familiarize yourself with this section can be incredibly beneficial, as it's where the magic happens when it comes to fine-tuning your pricing structure. Once you're in the services section, you'll want to select the specific service or item you wish to adjust. It's important to pick the exact service or product you want to modify because this will ensure that your changes will be applied to the right offering. Whether it's your most popular service or a newly added product, each one can be tailored to have its own unique default rate. Now that you have your specific service or item selected, it's time to edit the price field. This is where you'll set your desired default rate. Also known as the global price, this price will automatically populate whenever you add this item into a new proposal or invoice. It's a handy feature that can save you time and ensure consistency across all your client communications. After setting your desired price, remember to save your changes. While it might seem like a simple step, ensuring that your new price is saved is crucial to avoid any accidental reversion to the previous settings. It's always a great idea to double check this to make sure everything is just as you intend it to be. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to effectively manage and modify the global prices for your services in HoneyBook. This not only helps in keeping your financial operations running smoothly, but also leaves more room for you to focus on the creative aspects of your business. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process of enabling and disabling global prices in HoneyBook. If you have any further questions or need more detailed guidance, feel free to reach out or explore additional resources. Have a great day, and happy managing.